I like your style, I like your moves, I like the way you make me feel that I'm with you. I like your style, I like your moves, I like the way you make me feel that I'm with you. I like your smile, I like your voice, and all the things that I've been waiting for you all my life. Baby, give me one more magic night. I wanna fill my heart with all your love. This time I'm not giving up. Let me get your love tonight, tonight. Underneath the stars, taking a chance. I will love like burning flame. I can't imagine us apart. You are. I know you'll never let me down, down, down. Taking a chance. I will love like burning flame. I can't imagine us apart. You are.
One, two, three.
Even on a weekday, we still go hard. Party don't stop once it starts. Someone tell the DJ, play my song. Shut me out all night long. Cause it's feeling like my B-day on the week. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Even on a weekday, vibe is strong, so I ain't going home. About to ball out, tell my boss that I call out. Bartender Jim and he bringing that alcohol out. Ladies in the spot, they packing it wall to wall now. Shots after shots, we ain't done, pour more rounds. This type of speaking's usually for the weekend, but when you feel good like this, don't really need a reason. Usually on the phone all day or somewhere in the meeting, so we celebrate simply cause we still alive and breathing. No way, can't believe it's Monday, but the spot is so lit, I'm caught up in my young ways. If I'm hungover at work, I gotta wear my sunshades. It's whatever, let's just have a fun day. Ay. Even on a weekday, we still go hard. Party don't stop once it starts. Someone tell the DJ, play my song, shout me out all night long. Cause it's feeling like my B-day on the week. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Even on a weekday, vibe is strong, so I ain't going home. No. Even on a weekday. This happy hours every 60 minutes, not remembering what day it is, but hope it never finished. Loosen up that tie, pop a button and forget your image. Shorty, take your hair out that bun, shake it out and get it, yeah, yeah. Cause life is short, ain't got no time to waste. Gotta live a little before you reach your expiration date. No, no. But that says you gotta raise the stakes, so it's safe to say tomorrow you might be a little late. No way, can't believe it's Monday, but the spot is so lit, I'm caught up in my young ways. If I'm hungover at work, I gotta wear my sunshades. It's whatever, let's just have a fun day. Ay. Even on a weekday, still go hard. Party don't stop once it starts. Someone tell the DJ, play my song, shout me out all night long. Cause it's feeling like my